Heavy GUIs and bloated desktop environments are a nightmare on handheld ARM devices. So for the last few months, I've been building Astralixi, a lightweight, space-themed TUI built entirely in Python. No external pip packages, no heavy overhead, just pure Python standard library designed to keep things clean, fast, and responsive. In this release, I've added custom management tools like Axinstall and Axuninstall, plus a persistent system toolbar. While the main core is semi-closed source, the app API is 100% open source, so anyone can build custom modules for it. Let's dive into how it works, how I handle the backend in Python, and how you can start writing your own TUI apps for Astralixi today. Alright, so why build a terminal interface specifically for space fans? If you're using portable hardware or small ARM devices, full-blown desktop environments eat up memory like crazy. Plus, trying to navigate complex web pages or heavy graphics on a tiny screen with a trackball gets frustrating fast. I wanted something that felt like a dedicated cockpit interface, minimalist, fast, and functional. Look at the top status toolbar right here. We've got the live clock, the date, and real-time battery statistics constantly tracking, as well as RAM percentage usage and CPU percentage. Implementing that cleanly in a terminal without flickering or stealing focus took a bit of trial and error, but keeping key information right at the top makes the device feel like a real standalone utility. Now let's talk about the tech under the hood, because this is where things get interesting for coders. One of my absolute core design rules for Astralixi was zero external dependencies for the main build. No heavy frameworks, no massive third-party pip libraries that could break on ARM updates or slow down boot times. Everything is built using pure Python standard modules, things like OS, sys, time, and math. Because of that zero dependency model, I had to write custom management utilities from scratch. That's where Axinstall and Axuninstall come in. Watch this. When you run Axinstall, it passes the module directory, handles file placement, and hooks the package directly into Astralixi. Sounds like a lot's happening, but it's just uncompressing the original app file from using a BZ2 algorithm to make it into a .axapp, which you can run as an app. Axuninstall does basically a similar thing, where it deletes the app cleanly without leaving stray files behind. Keeping everything modular meant I didn't have to rewrite the core UI loop every time I wanted to test a new utility. I know a lot of people in the Clockwork Pi forums and YouTube comments asked about the repo structure. The main system core is semi-closed source right now, and this has received a lot of backlash, but I can explain why. You'll see function stubs and a bit of code snippets here and there and structure in my GitHub repository, so you can understand how the execution flow works. But the API layer, which is the Astralixi_API.py, is completely open source. This may create a lack of trust, but the end-of-life version, so there used to be an Astralixi version for the PicoCalc, which is devised by Clockwork Pi, and that one is completely open source. So I can build trust with you to make sure that you trust me for this new Astralixi version. I'd made it semi-closed source, as I said multiple times in the past, to avoid people making distros, like distributions of Astralixi, because that decentralizes everything. Moving on, let me show you how easy it is to build your own mini app for Astralixi. We import the API, define the display block, and pull in whatever data source you want. In just about, I would say, 20 to 30 lines of Python, you can write a script that displays real-time satellite telemetry, simple astronomical calculations, or custom system metrics. Because the API handles the screen rendering and keyboard inputs, your app stays ultra lightweight. This is just the baseline build. The next updates are going to bring actual space telemetry parsers, live event alerts, and deeper hardware integration directly into TUI layout. It'll bring things that space enthusiasts want and love, and it'll make Astralixi much more daily drivable in the future. I'm putting a ton of work into this project, and pushing hard to hit that 4,000 watch hour mark and 1,000 subscribers to get monetized by January 1st. If you enjoy seeing real hardware projects built from scratch in Python, every single sub and full watch on these long-form videos makes a huge difference. All the code stubs, documentation, and the open API are up on GitHub right now. The link is down in the description. If you end up testing Astralixi on your own hardware or writing a module for it, drop a comment below or join the thread on the ClockworkPy forums. You could possibly also message me on cyberspace. My user is Astrox, but the O is a 0. If you want to really support my project and all my endeavors, you can donate to me in the link in the description. It would be greatly appreciated. Even 2 AUD would make my day. Tell me what features or space tools you want to see built next. Thanks for hanging out. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, share this to all your friends and family, and I'll see you in the next build. This is Astrox, signing off.